Lower down your voice.
Yes!
Ellie, this will get you right back up. I swear to everything. You should jump in.
But don't drink the water.
It's warm too.
That's Rachel's dog.
Touch my hand.
How's my pants?
Touch my
He
hand.
is really light. Who's the big one?
Now, there's nothing to be afraid of, is there? It's a hoot, isn't it?
Yeah. You should try it, Wanda.
No.
Wanda, get in.
No, you get in. You get in.
Oh, get on.
Who likes me the most? It's not hard.
Now get in. Now get in.
Look at me.
Rachel, is the ladder up? Was it down when I was pulling you? If you fall in, you're still
I'll make
good.
a 2-minute video for the... Look at you.
Is he doing it alone?
No, Rachel's going to go out there and get on there with him.
Oh. This one's really light. This one's really tight.
Ellie, you like it over there? Yeah, I'm scared as hell. You won't drown with this thing on.
Princess.
No, I was going to ask you something.
You should jump in the water. It feels great.
Show me my ears.